Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Etiforex the Major. So I want to prove to you guys that price action is far better than just indicator strategy. Okay. I know indicator works. It tells you when you're gonna buy, when you're gonna sell and all. But if you know price action, I think it's better because you'll be working like both the indicator and human, and you'll be able to see the future, what's going to happen. So take a look at this trade that I took on B1000. Okay, so I will show you guys my reason for this trade, and I know a lot of people are learning from watching my video like this by doing my analysis and showing you guys how I've been entering my trade, my reason for the trade, where my stop loss, take profit, and all are. It helps a lot, right? So I'll show you guys everything you need to know and why I took this trade. So if you're new on our channel, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and join our free Telegram channel for more updates, free classes, signals, and all. All right, check the description of this video to join. All right, so if you check our VIP, we are doing well. Trust me guys, we are doing well. Okay, take a look at this. We are on VIX 50 as we speak. VIX 50 is running good profit. This is our target up here. All right, so I don't like those short targets. You just jump in and take profits. I'm always bold and I'm not afraid of the markets because I studied this market. I've been planning this trade for a very long time because this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend, and we had a long trend like this which got broken. We had a long trend like this that got broken and retested. So we've had a break of structure somewhere here. You might not understand that we had a break of structure somewhere here, so we are in an uptrend. So if you don't know what you're doing, you'll be going in for sell and it's going to consume you. All right, so I want to show you guys B1000, my reason for B1000, and also my VIP. If you join my VIP, you're making good profits. A lot of people are making good profits, trust me, on the VIP. All right, so you can see my entry here on B1000. This was my entry right there, and there was a long spike from that level, keep spiking, and it's not done because my TP is just up here. One spike might smash my TP, guys. One long spike, if I have something like this again, it's gonna spike here, it's gonna smash my TP. So let me show you guys my VIP so that you guys know that we are not scamming people here. We are legit, we are real. You pay and you get the value. All right, okay guys, this is my VIP. You can see my VIP. This is the signal I dropped. The VIX 50. This is the VIX 50. You can see that's the signal I dropped on VIX 50, and it's going well. So I want to teach somebody, I want to give somebody this knowledge. It's just little amount of money for you to learn, enroll, and learn. Just chat me up. You don't have to be afraid. Talk to me. I'll listen to you, okay? So I gave the signal VIX 50. You can see the VIX 50, and we're running good profits. We're running good profits, guys. All right, we're running good profits. So this was yesterday. This was VIX 10 yesterday, which just smashed our TP this morning. All right, so our signals are crazy. Like, we're giving good signals, high probability signals, high probability, over 95% win rates. Okay, so my reason for B1000, like I said, this was my entry. This was my entry, and I moved my SL from below above my entry so that in case might fall asleep and it comes down to my entry again, I'll still make profits. All right, so my reason for this trade, I love going to the higher time frame, the 4 hours time frame. Let me delete all this stuff out here, then run my analysis from top again for you guys to learn. Okay, so this stuff I'm doing is very informative, very helpful. All right, so that's why I would love you guys to encourage me by smashing that like button. Support this guy. Is very important. Right, so B1000 was my reason for B1000. B1000 to me is still an uptrend, though it's struggling to come down because it has gone far for a very long time, right? Then you can see there's an uptrend somehow. Okay, there's planning to drop down below. Okay, so at this point we cannot really see anything here, but we can see that we have something like a support here. That's the support right there. Why is it a support? It's a support because Market has been reversing around that level. You know how I do my stuff. Market has been reversing around this level, all right, before. So that makes it a support. That's a support. Then after the support on the 4 hours time frame, where's the nearest resistance? You need to know your nearest resistance. Your resistance is somewhere here. When market has been reversing, that's our resistance right there. Okay, so at this point we cannot really see what is happening. We cannot really see what is happening, so we have to move down to 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we have market doing something like this. First bottom, second bottom, all right. Then we have a trend line like this that got broken. So on this trend line, you see having the first and the second bottom, this makes this structure, this chart, this pattern here, this a double bottom pattern, all right? Double bottom pattern, first bottom, the second bottom, right? Then when you have a double bottom pattern like this, there's always a neckline, what we call the neckline. This is the neckline. And I place my line here. This is the neckline. Why is it a neckline? Because this is where markets gets after the first bottom, market hits this level back to this point to create a second bottom and back to this point again. Once this level is broken, we believe that market comes back to this level to bounce off again. So you see, with price action, you can see the future, right? That's simple. So market broke this line got broken. Market went above this line and back to this point again. When I saw that market will be coming down to this level again, I had to wait for market to get to this point again. Immediately market touches this line. I opened a position very close to the line. I opened a position and my target is here. Why is it here? Because this is where this structure started forming. This is where the double bottom started forming. The double bottom started from here down to this point, all right, then up here and down to this point and up to this level again. Okay, then got broken from this level, so it will come back to complete the double bottom, to complete this structure. So many people don't even understand this. And now when you have that here in between these lines, in between this bottom, the first bottom and the second bottom, you need to count the candlesticks in between. You need to count the candlesticks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then it shouldn't be more than 20. If it is up to 20 candlesticks, then that is not a double bottom. It's not a good one. Then the candlestick that printed here that causes the entry, the movement, this double bottom movement, is always a doji like this with a strong bullish power momentum, right? So you can see market broke the neckline back to this point, and I waited for market to get to that point. Let's move down to a lower time frame, maybe the 1 minute time frame, for us to see my reason why I just jump in immediately. Okay, let's delete this as well. Okay, so this is my 1 minute time frame. So this is the neckline, the line I placed on the lower time frame. So I waited for market to drop, and the good thing is that I did not want market to spike. I did not want any spike to happen around this level, even tiny spike. I did not want to see any spike around this level. I waited for market to drop down from there, and I was so happy there was no spike. Okay, from this level there was no spike. So immediately market approaches this level, I started opening a position. I opened one position, and before I could open more position around this line, because it has touched this line, there was a long spike, a massive spike. You can see that spike that happened right there. Then before I could know, another spike and more spike. So we are having like over $200 running in profits right now. Then by the time it hits our TP, we'll be making over $300. So that's the target. That's how it is. Okay, that's how it is. So I want to teach somebody this. Everybody needs to have this skill. Everybody must have this skill. Everybody needs to know how to analyze the financial market and make money for yourself. As it is now, I can never be stranded. If I go to any country, any place at all that I don't know anybody, nobody to help me, if I can lay my hands on a smartphone like this and a good network, trust me, I'll start generating money and survive right there. So this is a reason everybody needs to learn this strategy. I'm always there in the class to teach you guys to be seeing me there. There's nothing like you make payments and you did not see the person not value. There's always value. You see me right there. I teach you everything you need to know. You can see, take a look at my mentorship platform, the recent batch. Okay. Okay, so this is the recent batch. You can see we've been sending links for classes. These links for classes. Okay, everybody. We have classes. This is a video. After the class, we share videos like this one here. We share the video. This one here, I share the video for them to learn. Okay, to go back to it. So the place is lively. We talk, we communicate properly every day. So everybody needs to be here. Everybody needs to join the team, just interact with every other person on the platform. Let's make money and grow together, guys. Okay, right? So that's my reason for the trade, and my SL was quite below, but before I could even place the SL, it has spiked. So I just moved my SL to this point and my TP up here. Okay, so we smashed our TP pretty soon. Let's quickly check the VIX 50. So these are VIX 50, still running profit, still running good profits, guys. More money to be made. More money to be made, guys. That's our TP up there. So that's it, guys. Show us some love by smashing that like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's make money together. Let's make money together. So crash 1000. You can't tell what it's doing right now, but it's in a downtrend, and there's it might start buying from there. You see? So you see, this is how we know the market's going to start buying. We study the market. We know when it's very weak. Then I'm also expecting B500 to give me some money. Okay, I'm expecting it to break this point. Once this level is broken, this line is broken, I'll start buying. I'm making my money. I'll start buying up to this point, up to that line. So you see, with price action, you can tell what's gonna happen in the future. And if you predict like 10 trades, you win like 7 or 8, definitely. So I'm advising every one of you to join the academy. Check the description of this video, chat me up, send me a mail, check our site, chat me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Let's make money together, guys. Be the best. That'll be all for now. Bye bye.